Without your hand in your mouth. Go like that. Cool.
Cool.
Say hi.
Hi.
Did it make a funny face? Yeah. Where have you seen the funny faces?
Gabba.
Gabba Gabba. Is that your favourite show?
Yay.
Yay. What other show do you like?
Gabba.
And? How about Toot Toot? Do you like Toot Toot?
Toot toot. Yeah.
Oh,
She's on. She's on.
shoes are on.
Yeah.
What did you do today, Bodhi? Did we go to the park? What did you see at the park?
Bulls.
Bulls. Did you see bulls?
Wolf.
And more wolf woofs.
Oh, no.
And some ducks.
No.
No ducks? What noise does the ducks make?
Gawk. Yeah. Gawk.
Yeah. In Australia, our birds, what noise do the birds make?
Gawk. Good car.
Do they make lots of noise?
A car. Cat. Up,
Oh, yeah.
down. Up, down. Up, down. That's it, the cat. Oh, da. That's it. Oh, no. Yeah. I put that down up. Down up first.
Get your finger out your nose. Steepy.
Nice. Up. Day.
Are the lights on or off? Are they on or off?
Nummies. Gone. Eat the wall. Oh.
What's that say?
Two.
Good boy. What's that say?
Oh.
Good boy. What's that say?
Two.
Oh.
Oh.
And this one?
Two. Oh. Oh. Two.
So what's that? Try again.
Two.
Yeah. What's that?
Oh.
Good boy. What's that?
Carpet.
It's the same as that one.
Oh.
Good boy. And that one?
Come here.
It's close. It's 5. Can you say 5?
No, it's not 8. It looks like an 8, but it's actually a 5.
Oh.
What's T stand for?
Toot.
Good boy. What's P for?
Toot. Me. Toot.
What's P for?
Please.
P?
No.
Peas, yeah.
Mama.
What's M for?
Mama.
Good boy. What's P for?
Dada.
That's Dada's other name. What's Dada's other name?
You.
Is it Pete?
Pete.
And what about K? K is for...
Mama.
No. Keys. Keys? K for keys?
What does Daddy need to drive the car?
You.
You're funny.
Does Daddy need car keys? Are you trying to be funny? Daddy needs car keys to drive the car. What are you doing? You're being funny.
Okay, right. Pull a funny face, because I'm going to stop the camera now. Pull a funny face.
I think he is.
Boats, like this, like this.
How does Gabba Gabba put the funny face? Where does Gabba Gabba put the spoon? Where do they put the spoon? Where does the little boy put the spoon in Gabba Gabba? Does he put it on his ears?
No.
On his nose? Can you do that spoon trick? Can you put a spoon on your nose?
No.
No? We don't have a spoon here to try.
Okay, you can say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And
Night-night.
night. Night.
Say night-night.
Night.
I
Eyes.
love you.
You. Pete.
I love you too, darling.
What about Mama?
Mama.
I
No more.
no more.
And there.
No more.
And
Ready for night nights?
no.
Are you gonna have a bath?
No.
You gonna have a bath, Dada?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye. I'm going to turn it off now, I really will. Say bye.
This.
Say night-night.